In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag and organize contacts in MailChimp. To get started, open your MailChimp account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Audience section in the menu and click on it. If you see Audience appear again as a sub-menu option, go ahead and click that as well. This will take you to the area where your contacts are stored, and this is where you'll be able to organize them more efficiently. After the Audience page loads, scroll down until you can clearly see your list of contacts. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the correct audience, especially if your account contains more than one. Keeping your contacts organized inside the right audience is important because tags are meant to help you group people based on things like interests, behavior, or the type of communication they should receive. Next, click the box that allows you to mark all contacts as selected. This is the easiest way to apply the same organizational action to the full group at once. Selecting all contacts can save a lot of time compared to choosing them one by one, especially if you're managing a larger list. Once everything is selected, click the option labeled Tag Contacts. A menu should appear, and from there select Popular Tags. This section is useful because it helps you quickly apply tags that are already commonly used in your account. Using consistent tags makes it much easier to filter your audience later, build targeted campaigns, and keep your contact database clean and organized. After that, choose the action you want to take. Depending on what appears in your MailChimp setup, this usually means deciding which tag should be applied to the selected contacts. Be sure to double-check your choice before continuing, so you don't accidentally assign the wrong label to the entire group. Once you're done, click Apply to confirm the change. MailChimp will then update the selected contacts with the tag you chose. After the process finishes, your audience will be better organized and easier to manage moving forward. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to use simple, clear tag names so you can immediately understand what each group represents later on. Good tagging habits make future email marketing tasks much faster and more accurate. And that's it. That's how to tag and organize contacts in MailChimp.